Yeah. I like to talk about something about, you're not asking special, but I want to talk about something of this kadha because an immunity discussion will be incomplete without that. So, some of you may have seen the video or heard the formula of kadha, which we have given out to many devotees. Is used in Gopinath Mandir at Wada, at our hospital itself, and it is now served out to everybody twice a day. So, there's a kadha is a very powerful immunogenic substance. So, let's understand that we may not be able to fully avoid contacting the virus. That may come through, as you said, some of you said food or water or some vegetables or your bread loaf, whatever. So virus is going to come into our lives, right? So the point is that just like if you're living in the Mira Road, right? The Mira Road is famous for the Bhaktivedanta hospital. Then we have the Radha Giridhari temple here. And it's also famous, as you know, for machhar, right? So mosquitoes are there, and there are about 7 lakh people living in Mira Road, but only a small percentage of them have got malaria. Now, it is important to understand this principle that we are all being bit in Mira Road and Bhayandar by malaria mosquitoes, but only a very small fragment of them develop actual malaria. Why? The result again is immunity. So the point is that you will and I will probably contact the virus sooner or later if you haven't done it. Like I'm in the hospital for the last 2 months, 3 months. I'm coming every day of my life. I'm coming here to see my patients, right? So obviously I have contacted the virus. The point is that if I'm not sick now, is because you can contact the virus, but you may not get disease by the virus. You may have a malaria mosquito bite you, but you may not get malaria, right? So this kadha is useful in that regard because it gives you a strong immune boost to strengthen the immune system. I want to talk a bit about that. Give me 5 minutes. This contains, first is about half to 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Second, it contains about 1 inch pincher piece of shredded ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then contains about 1 inch tukada of jaggery. You put all this in about 200-250 ml of water and bring it to a boil, right? And then you drink it, drinkable, whatever hot you can drink it, preferably after food. Now, these 3 substances, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper, are all what I called before as anti-inflammatory substances, and they are proved in medical experiments to actually destroy viruses. Many viruses, including the coronavirus. Therefore,